Hey friends, Greg here, the Pennywise guys. If your computer cord falls out and is loose, let me show you an easy, free trick to solve the problem. Let's get started. Let me show you the problem I have on my older laptop. The cord, it's the larger diameter size, and it's really loose. Let me see that, really loose. And it just, with a simple bump like that, it just falls right out, okay? Every time I'd have it on my lap and I'd move my leg, it would just fall right out. And the socket inside here is worn out. I've replaced this cord thinking it was, the surface here was worn out, but the socket inside is worn out to where you'd have to take the computer apart, find the part, and repair it. Let me show you a very easy trick to fix the problem. I'm going to go ahead and mark it with a Sharpie pen, just one little dot right there, okay, right on the top. Okay, you take yourself a pair of pliers, and what we're going to do is the dot is facing me, okay, and I'm in about 1/8 of an inch, and I'm going to slightly pinch it. Don't pinch it on the end, but pinch it in the middle, and what we're trying to do is just going to give it an elliptical shape, just a slight pressure, okay. It doesn't take much. Try it, okay, wasn't enough. That's why we have the dot there. We're going to try it again. A little bit more pressure until we get the right amount. Okay, there we got good resistance right there. That's working pretty well, but I'm a little bit more for my taste. And the dot, line it up so you're pinching the same direction and squeeze that. And I'm using needle nose pliers because I don't want to get it pinched up there. Okay? There we go. Now it's not loose, and it has enough resistance that I have to pull hard enough to pull it out. Problem solved. What if you have, let me move that out of the way real quick here. My new laptop has the smaller diameter, okay? It doesn't fall out very easily, okay? It has to pull a decent amount, but it could be a little bit better. So I'm just going to go do the same thing with this one, and I'm going to just right in the middle there, I'm just going to slightly pinch it to where I've got enough resistance there. Okay, that feels good. I didn't mark that because I knew this probably one pinch was all it's going to take to do that one. That way you can tighten up your cords, the connectivity stays the same. I've already checked them, works great, but now your cord doesn't fall out on its own. I pray that you are blessed, and that you know Him who is the author of life.